हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो यहाँ पे अभी न्यू रूल्स ग्रेचुटी एंड पेंशन दैट इज़ अ बिग डिसीजन बाय द गवर्नमेंट। इसकी जो ऑफिशियल नोटिफिकेशन है वो यहाँ पे शेयर करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ दोस्तों। ग्रेचुटी एंड पेंशन न्यू रूल्स बिग चेंज एंड दैट इज़ अ बिग ब्लो टू एम्प्लॉयज एंड इट्स अ स्ट्रिक्ट वार्निंग basically to employees also. Central government has recently changed the Rule 8 of CCS Pension Rule 2021 in which new pension has been added that if central government employee found doing any negligence in his service, so if found guilty, pension and gratuity will be stopped after retirement. Secretaries who are associated with concerned ministries under which retiring employee appointed has been empowered to withdraw pension as gratuity. तो कंसर्न सेक्रेटरीज वहाँ पे उनके पास पावर है, वो ग्रेचुटी एंड पेंशन को वहाँ पे रोक सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ बेसिकली अ बिग ब्लो. सो इन केस वेयर पेंशन इज विड्रॉन विदहेल्ड द अमाउंट कैनॉट बी लेस देन ₹9,000. सो 9,000 से नीचे तो उनकी पेंशन लग ही नहीं सकती. अगर फाउंड होते हैं गिल्टी तो 9,000 मिनिमम पेंशन तो उन्हें मिलेगी ही मिलेगी, विच इज़ प्रिस्क्राइब्ड इन सेक्शन 44. Which is prescribed in section 44. So this is official gazette of India notification. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. तो नोटिफिकेशन में एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पे मैंशनड है इन रूल 20 of the said rules in explanation 1 for the words was not required to be refunded, the word was to be refunded shall be substituted. So in rule 46 of said rules the word provides to be shall be omitted. So by order in writing, withhold a pension or gratuity or both, either a full or in part, or withdraw a pension to full or in part, where permanently or for a specific period, and order recovery from a pension or gratuity of the whole or part of any pecuniary loss caused to the government. So if in any departmental proceedings or judicially proceeding the pensioner is found guilty of grave misconduct or negligence during the period of service, inclusive service rendered upon re-employment after the retirement. So provided that the Union Public Service Commission shall be consulted before any final orders to is passed by the President under the sub rule. So provided further that where a part of pension is withheld or withhold or withdrawn, the amount of such pension should shall not be reduced below the amount of minimum pension under rule 44. So वो है अमाउंट 9,000. सो 9,000 से नीचे पेंशन नहीं मिलेगी. So in clause A for the provision, the following provision shall be substituted, namely provided that where the departmental proceedings are instituted by an authority subordinate to the authority competent to pass order under sub rule 1, the authority shall submit a report recording its finding to the said competent authority. So the clause C for the word president occurring or at both the places the word brackets and figures authority competent to pass orders under sub rule 1 shall be substituted. So this is a update regarding latest rules हैं for gratuity and pension new rules, and it's a kind of big blow to the employees. So अभी अगर कोई मिसकंडक्ट ग्रेव मिसकंडक्ट होता है तो वहाँ पे पेंशन एंड ग्रेचुटी विद होल्ड हो जाएगी. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस.